Morning Statistics. MS Final Exam. Course Code, STAT-505. Course Title, Physical Health and Human Growth Modeling. Total marks, 60 time, 3 hours. Total marks, 60. Answer any 5 questions. Marks are indicated at the end of the questions. 1. A. What do you mean by growth and development? 4. B. What is BMI? How is it used to assess the nutritional condition of a person? 5. C. Draw and explain the graphical representation of growth of children at different ages according to R.E. Scammond's classification. 5. 2. A. What is growth failure? Write down the synonyms and keywords of growth failure. 4. B. What are the symptoms of growth failure in children? Write down the possible causes of growth failure. 4. C. Write down the names of some tests and treatments for growth failure. 4. 3. A. Define total lung capacity, TLC, tidal volume, TV, inspiratory capacity, IC, functional residual capacity, FRC, expiratory reserve volume, ERV, vital capacity, VC, and residual volume, RV. 5. B. Explain the above terms graphically. Write down the importance of measuring vital capacity. 5. C. What is the indirect measurement of vital capacity on the basis of height and body surface area? 2. 4. A. What is heart failure? What are the classifications of heart failure? 4. B. What are the symptoms of heart failure? Write down the possible causes of heart failure. 4. C. Write down the names of some tests and treatments for heart failure. 4. 5. A. What is a growth model? What is meant by acceleration and velocity of a growth model? 5. B. Define Gompertz model and explain the parameters of this model. 3. C. How can you estimate the parameters of the Gompertz model? 6. A. What is the ICP model? Write down the implication of the parameters of this model. 4. B. Find the velocity and acceleration of these models. 4. C. How does this model differ from the modified ICP growth model? 4. 7. A. What do you mean by the triphasic generalized logistic model? 4. B. Is the BTT growth model triphasic? Justify your answer. 4. C. How will you estimate the parameters of this model? Find the velocity and acceleration of this model. 4. 8. A. What do you mean by a higher dimensional growth model? When and where was this model introduced first? 4. B. How can you extend the BTT model as a higher dimensional growth model? 4. C. Describe shortly the estimation process of this model. Comment on the precision of this model over the BTT model.